Is it okay to just send a potential employment law client to the employment law page on my website, or should I create a specific landing page? Okay, it is always going to be better to have a dedicated landing page if you can do it. So for example, when we build a website, there's 3 elements to a website that we always have to take in consideration when we build a website. There's the client's personal taste. So what colors does the client like? Does he want a clean website, or not a busy website, but a website with more stuff on it? Which fonts does he like? All that type of stuff. So we have to weigh that. And then we also have to consider the conversion optimization element of the website. So a website, conversion optimization is basically, how do we make sure that once a person is on the website, how are we going to make sure that that person is compelled to either fill out a contact form so that the lawyer can contact them, or pick up the phone and call the phone number in the top right corner of the website. So we've got to balance the personal taste of the attorney or the law firm. We've got to balance the conversion optimization. Then we also have to balance the search engine optimization, which basically means, does Google like it? And is Google going to rank the website? And does it have all those elements that we know will rank a website in Google? Now, the challenge between these 3 things is that they all are conflicting. If you have a website that is really, 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 really optimized for SEO, it's probably going to convert really bad. If you have a website that's really, really, really optimized for conversions, then it's probably not going to do very well in Google, because there's certain compromises that you have to make. So if you're just doing pay-per-click, for example, if you have the option to just do pay-per-click, now you're not relying on that search engine optimization strategy. So as a result, you can remove those search engine optimization elements from your website and have a website or have a page that is really, really dialed in and really, really designed just to convert that visitor to a client or to a prospect, and then you can talk to them and then hopefully get them to hire you. So whenever possible, whenever we do Google Ads campaigns, AdWords campaigns, we've got a couple clients right now that we're taking over. We actually have a DWI attorney in New Jersey who was driving people to his homepage. And what we're doing is we're building him a dedicated DWI landing page that talks about, what are the benefits of hiring him? What happens when you hire him? What is he going to do when you hire him? Different things like that. And it's all addressing the things that a DWI client is thinking about and what they want. And it's all designed for conversion. And we couldn't do that in the way that we want it to if it was just for search engine optimization. So the answer is, if your website is set up for search engine optimization, or even if it's just an internal page of a website, a lot of times internal pages don't have a lot of the elements like contact form on the top and nice headlines and all that type of stuff. If you're running paid traffic or doing something like that, spend a little bit more money. It's not a lot. You can do it in ClickFunnels pretty cheap, but spend a couple extra bucks and handle it so that you have a dedicated landing page. Don't just send them right to the page on the website. That's the lazy way to do it. That's the way your competition does it, and that's why you will ultimately win. So there you go.